Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about identifying 32-bit applications on macOS. On this computer I'm running macOS Mojave, and Mojave is supposedly the last OS that is going to support 32-bit apps. So it's a good idea to look and see what you have running as a 32-bit app, and then you could replace it with another app before the macOS update, the next macOS update. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Apple menu in your upper left hand of your computer and go to About This Mac, then click on System Report, and then you want to, on the left side here, you want to look under Software and then click on Applications. And this can take a minute to load. Okay, it happened pretty quick on this. On older computers it might be a little slower. So it lists all your applications here. You want to click on this column that says 64-bit Intel, and if you click it again it'll reverse the sort. So I'll click it so no is at the top. And this is going to show which applications I have that are 32-bit, the ones that say no. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 applications. So if I look through these, this came with the PlusTech scanner. It looks like some OCR software. Ink Server is by Apple, and that's part of the OS, so Apple will be in charge of fixing that. Then I have MPEG Streamclip, which is a video editing software. I really like this software, so it's going to be sad when I won't be able to use it anymore. And then we have Quick Look, that's from Apple, and then we have this uninstall, and that's from PlusTech, and this update from PlusTech. So this PlusTech software is scanner software. It looks like 3 of my applications are from PlusTech, and those will be out of date during the upgrade. So I'll have to find a solution. I'll have to watch for those to be updated by PlusTech. Now, if you have an older Mac, it might not hurt to have the older Mac left on an older operating system if you have some specialized software that you need to run and hasn't been updated. So this computer looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't have a lot of software. I'm going to switch over to another computer. I'm going to use screen sharing to access it. I have it up here. And this is an older MacBook, and it's running High Sierra. So I went to the menu here, I opened it up, it says High Sierra. I'll click on System Report, and then I'll click on Applications here. I'll make this full screen. Okay, see that took a little bit longer to load. And if I sort here, I'll see more applications. So I have this 360 video metadata. That was software to add metadata to a 360 video. I have Adobe Illustrator CS3, so I'm still using an old version of Adobe Creative Suite. And I've got some other applications, look like these Apple applications. Now these have obviously been updated in Mojave. I have an old version of Dreamweaver, the DVD player, Game Center, GarageBand. So a lot of these have been updated in Mojave. Looks like GoPro Studio is not. So you want to go on your computer and open it up and look for what applications are not up to date. There may be updates available from the developer, like I could go and look and see if there's a newer version of GoPro Studio, although actually I think they've switched to a different software. And you can find them, or you can remove the software to prepare you. So that's the basics of finding 32-bit software on your Mac. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.